You know. Damn that. Yeah. You bring out the place. Walk one YouTube boy tight there with a big bad reaction. I don't feel like. I don't think whenever they come with it, no. Why pan they come again? But you think whenever they go drop the reaction, yo, but there, uno dimmy. What's up YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekejt. I'm back with another reaction review. We don't really matter right now, but we are drop it. You see me and say, we know I'm late with it, but guess what? Song bad song a trend #1. Now what you feel like, brother? World boss drop a song I never react or review to. Youth people. Like the video before watching, cause that's the golden rule that razor blade. No, I think razor blade see that trouble like grab name roll it so easy. But anyways, shout out to all of them. Tony Montanna. Nah. And no Montanna. Anyways, Vybz Kartel drop with all the people to Tony Montanna. You see me I say, me don't know who ma this. Me not gonna assume say ma this no man. Me not assume say ma call no man name. But just there for a review or react to the song with my energy. You see me I say, me just wake up and I wanna pray this. You see me I say, do rag and thing. You see me, but buckly, me have to laugh. Don't even laugh there. But anyways, as you can see, for the day ones, the energy is back. Thank God. Ready? Don't in the place. In the place. And I'll be telling you that I'm going to do nothing every bad man song, you know, if you big up every bad man place in you. You see me? You stand can't bad if you don't big up certain place. Chat. We sound like the review by the dog. You stand can't bad if you don't big up the bad man place them. Got you. Take care. Tony Montanna. I'm telling you, I know who name Tony Montanna. I'm sure I do some research before I come react or I come review. I don't know. But I must have one bad man named Tony Montanna, right? You're a man say a while ago. You see me? You have to do what? Tony Montanna. You see? I must have bad. You know, it's got you. Yeah? 100,000 rifle. Well, if I make it wet? See if I make it past the man veranda, you man about 100,000 rifle on the veranda and you. See if I make it past the man veranda, dog. You have to skill like you know, Maradona when they skill is about them one of the world, you know, dog. You see me can relate to something, you know, some part. Like, you see me I say, when they skill is about them in the world, you know. You see me I say, dog? But if you wanna, it probably is. Got you. Jeffrey Dana. Say I'm married down here, Jeffrey Dana. I know somebody do some research. Me even do some research, you know, because you a chopping the man, I'm not understand the man is saying and go through though. Tony Montanna. Yeah. Ghana. You see, they have to big up the bad place them to in Kenya and Ghana. You have to big up the whole of Africa. Because you want your song go international, you see me I say. Yeah, I know the Cartel represent for everybody, you see me? But what are you saying to now? You have to come Africa, Kenya, Ghana. Where I place them? Yeah. Ghana. Swana. Buckley. I say, don't say, hey, people in Africa, dancing. Where people in Africa, you can see what about Africa. Kenya, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Botswana. You can't see the word of Africa. Listen, that part I jump it up. When that part of that, you know. Listen. Ghana. Yeah. Yo. Well, I'm supposed to them Shaka Zulu and says I shake. Got you though. Ready? Yeah. Montanna. What? Scareface too. Hold on. Somebody say their name Scareface. Must have to do some research, dog. Me late to the video. I should do some review in the dog. I should do some research in the dog. You see me? But as I said, I really take this item. You know your vloggers them want to watch. Forget to review them. I mean if you come watch them because me I bring energy to the thing. Me not bring no fake news to the thing. Anyways, got you. In change the flow, power. Got you. Yeah. Hold on. Boom, nah. Man say I'm gonna speed up your last days, youth. Man say I'm gonna hurry up and kill you. And that man I say, yo, I'm gonna hurry up and bet. I'm gonna bomb on the plate. What? Got you. last. What? I did deal with. Hold on, I didn't you there, but brother, now you there behind bars. Oh, you're so bad. You have to have little manners and respect, and you cannot air to the place. You cannot deal with the things that I did. Remember saying that? Remember saying, one come back on the road now. Remember saying, we're a free world, but you cannot deal with the things, brother. You have to calm it. Go through, Addy. Yeah. 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 The last days. No, man, sang bad, man. Sang too bad. Let me get little water. Sang 3 bad, man. People, if you don't like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You see me, I say? I'm glad I'm fine by the energy right now. It is well overdue, man. John one. I late to the reaction, but I know say my people them still like watch because they don't like what me react. So if you're new, you better subscribe. Got you. Yeah. Youth, you remember when encouraging a go on, youth? You remember when encouraging a go on, youth? You remember that? You know how much, Jamaicans, they know about encouraging, right? You remember when listen what the man said, you man say full of machine from where to where? Go through! I don't think why today I'm told us right up the street, that's it. That's right up the street, that's it. What man say I show and say, yo. And the man they behind bars, the man full of machine same way. Youth, don't mess with the teacher and the youth. And that matter. Youth, run it. Yeah. Yeah. Him address the man them now. Cause remember say the man them this artist, the man them this artist, the man them this the god, the man them this the the man them this the world boss in the youth. You see me? The man them this, you know. So the man say anything you start. Me hear him say a while ago. Got you. Left hand, me can't fire go left hand Addy, but more you when you say Addy dog, you move so shaky with the thing dog. No, Addy not more shaky, you know, don't get me wrong, you know. But anyhow move that more when you say dog. Well on man, you go too fast man, bumbuckle belt man, right now. Oh, see them, remember how you start now go done pleasant. You see me, I remember so, me here say Jamaican this me now. When me sit in one of the Tyrekejt in front of the favorite vloggers. What if one, all of them, so maybe me listen for real. You see me, I say, wait, maybe do it. Yeah, but hear the song there. Yeah. And we do it, but when never really react to it. Yeah, you see me? So I say, well, I say, oh, you start now go done pleasant in your youth. And that man tell you, you see me, I say, I go some more song, man. You see me? I go some more song. Got you? Yeah. Yeah. Bumblecly. Youth, man say none of them not bad. They must give the impression. Youth only not bad like the teacher, youth. An impression on the comfy people, yo. And around put Kartel like youth. Kartel. You need your tongue to call the name. Remember that. Got you. Cause I didn't ramp with them. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Bumblecly, bolt. Youth. Song bad, man. People want to think about the song. I want to time to give me no task about the song, you know. I'm not so to rate the song, you know. I'm not so like anything with teacher, no. You know, get a sponsorship, move up to Clara. I want to think about the song, people. I don't want to think in the comment section down. Wipe on it down, wipe on it below Albert. I'm not thinking in the comment section. You see me, I say run this one. You see me, I say the comment section there. You see me? Yeah, I'm not want to think about the song. I'm not say, I'm not the teacher go hard. You see me? Wipe on the hard argument too. But you see me, I say, oh no. You see me? More song than they know, but they don't start at the first verse of my girl. Run again. You see me, I say, yeah, so I've done my thing set up already, people. So like the video, subscribe if it's the first time here, and touch the notification bell to get all notifications, you, because guess what? Man, I got LA next month with the LA vlogs, them. So imagine a Jamaican got LA dog, wanna get from all of that dog. Just subscribe to my channel and man, I like the video. You see me, I say it's been a boy tight. You have to catch me on the corner like who? Tony Montana.